The investment per house during FTTH deployment is high. However, many end customers are not satisfied with the service they receive. With the ONT being generally placed in the utility room or basement, there's no option but to relocate the router. This location is not only inconvenient for the end user, but also leads to performance problems for Wi-Fi and wireless telephony. Devolo offers cost and time-efficient solutions that take the fiber speed to the router using the existing coax, telephone, or electrical wiring. The gap between the ONT and the router is closed in 3 simple steps. First, one of the devices is connected to the ONT via Ethernet. Second, this device transmits the broadband signal via either the power line, the coax line, or the telephone line. Third, the second device transports the signal to the router via Ethernet. The installation effort is kept to a minimum. Avoiding new drilling or cabling will save you time and money. And keeping the router in the center of the home will contribute to a much better Wi-Fi and wireless telephony coverage in the house. The result: the full potential of your fiber connection is delivered end-to-end, leading to a better customer experience for all available and OTT services, and therefore to satisfied and loyal customers.